This is Tigernut drink, and I made this with just two ingredients, yet the result was so amazing, sweet, delicious, and refreshing. Hello, treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So, let me show you how I made this Tigernut milk drink with just two ingredients. Let's get started. So here I have some dry tiger nuts. All I'll do is to select out the bad ones, wash very well, and soak for 2 days. And 2 days later, this is the outcome. It's already doubled in size. I had 3.5 cups soaked, and at the end of the day, this is about 5 cups of tiger nuts. And you can also snack on this just as I'm doing. So what we're going to do next is to blend this. I told you we're making this with only two ingredients. So the second ingredient is date. I have here half cup of dates which I've also deseeded and soaked. So we're going to be blending these two to make our tiger nut milk drink. We're leaving it simple. I have other videos where I use the coconut, ginger, banana, beetroot. I'll leave the link in my description box below. So in case you want those ones, you can also check them out. So I'll go ahead now and add everything into the blender and blend with some cold water. Emphasis on cold water so that your tiger milk doesn't get sour or spoil quickly. The cold milk will hold it from spoiling. I hope you understand me. Then I'll blend this until very smooth. Remember, you have to use a strong blender to do this. If your blender is not up to 500 watts, then you have to take it to the market or to where you grind or blend your corn for pap or akam or ugi. After blending it, I'll transfer into my nutmeg bag, which I've already placed into a bowl. I'll then add some more cold water to enable me squeeze out all the milk. Then squeeze out the milk as much as you can. So after blending and extracting all the milk, this is what you have. Remember I told you I have 5 cups of tiger nuts plus half cup of date, but you can use up to a cup of date if you want it so sweet. You can also use sugar in place of date. The date there is acting as a sweetener, though it has its own nutrients too. But you can also use sugar if you don't have dates or if you don't like the taste of dates. Do you? So this is what we have. I'll quickly bottle this, then chill it before serving it. The taste is already very, very sweet here. The taste of that tiger nut, including the date, so it's very sweet. And this is what I got as the chaff or pulp. You can also dry this and turn it into flour. You have tiger nut flour, so just dry this and turn it into flour. You can use it for your baking and other things, and for your swallow you can use it for your bakings and swallow. You can also discard it if you don't need it. So I'll go ahead now and bottle this. After bottling the tiger nut milk, I kept it in the freezer for about 2 hours, and this is what we have. Keeping it in the fridge or freezer will prevent it from getting bad. You know, tiger nut doesn't take time before it sours or gets bad. So prevent that. Always either you use ice block or you keep it in the freezer. So it is ready now to be served, and this milk or this drink tasted so good, so refreshing. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, click the like button. Yay, and today is the feast of Saint Valentine. Happy Valentine to you all. I love you all. Also show me love by liking and sharing this video. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.